Procedure in fermentation. Wash hands and disinfect the workplace. Measure 1 liter distilled water. Add your fruit chunks into the container. Add enough amount of sugar and stir until dissolved. Close the lid of the container, then secure with a rubber band. Label the container with group name, date, and the fermentation start. Primary fermentation. Place the flask in a warm, dark area in the lab, about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Stir the mixture daily to prevent mold growth. Release oxygen from the container. After that, make sure to cover it with plastic wrap so that it can proceed to anaerobic fermentation.